Yo guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you guys get every single skin onto your Fortnite account. So make sure you watch the full entire video because it's actually crazy and it's completely working. This is the only legit method on how to actually unlock the Renegade Raider, including every single other skin. This is actually by using a lobby bot, but instead of an average lobby bot that you guys probably heard of, you guys can basically control the skins through a certain website, which I have pulled up right here. You guys can basically change any skin through this website. For example, we can put on that skin right here. We can even put on the Aerial Assault Trooper. So yeah, it's actually pretty cool. And if you guys want a full in-depth tutorial on this, make sure to watch the whole entire video and like and subscribe for more content like this and turn on notifications because these updates do happen very often, so you guys don't want to miss them. But without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. Alright guys, so what you guys want to do is actually go into the link of the description. Once you guys are there, there's going to be a bit.ly link that's going to redirect you to my recognized link, which I have pulled up for you guys right here. Once you guys are here, there's going to be two buttons. You guys want to subscribe to myself on YouTube and then subscribe to my friend, which is X Shadow. Once you have subscribed to both of us, it should unlock the link for Fortnite Dev. I know this is a little bit suspicious, but it does work. I can promise you that this is legit. So subscribe to myself and then subscribe to my friend X Shadow. Also, please do not unsubscribe or you won't be able to proceed with these steps, as this website is very particular and it can tell if you subscribed or if you unsubscribed. So if you guys want to get these step done, please complete this correctly. And then you guys want to, once you have subscribed to both of us, you guys want to press unlock link and proceed with the steps by pressing I'm not a robot, and then go on free access with ads, and then press download Fortnite Dev, and then press save. You guys want to press download Fortnite Dev, and then you guys want to proceed with opening the prompt, and then press next, skip all, and then press open, and then go into the Beacons AI link, and then press Rex FN. Basically, through this website, there's a bunch of legit Fortnite devs, but for this particular tutorial, we're going to press Rex FN and actually join the Discord. You guys want to be into the rules channel and react to the rules, and make sure you have access to all the rest of the other channels. Once you have access to all the rest of the other channels, you guys want to go into the how to use for anywhere platforms, and then once you guys are here, you guys want to go into the how to use, and then you guys want to go into the anywhere Rex FN website. This is going to be a link for ties, which will eventually proceed to the Anywhere Rex FN website, which I will have showcased to you earlier, where you can change the skins. But you guys want to press that link and then press I'm not a robot and proceed with the same steps that you did earlier. So press download website, press save, double click on the download, next, skip all, and then press open. Now it should take you to the Rex FN website. Once you guys are here, if it asks for an authorization code, just go through another link for ties process and it should give you an authorization code. This is just for new users. If you guys have done this before, it's not going to ask you for an authorization code. For me, it does not, but it might be different for you guys. But for me, it did not require the authorization code. So you guys want to launch Fortnite and make sure you have that username copied and pasted that the website actually gives you. So you guys want to copy, and then once you guys are in the Fortnite, you guys want to paste that username into the ads friend list and add the friend. And then once you guys have him added, I already have him added, so I'm going to join his party real quick. And I'll show you guys that I can actually change the skins. So you guys want to change the skins through this website, which I have right here for you guys. So you guys want to go onto the website, and then you guys can change the skins through this website. You guys can also do this on mobile, by the way, but I have another tutorial on that. But you guys can even do back blings. There's a bunch of tabs you guys can play around with, including emotes and the new items tab. Basically, the new items tab is the tab where items have been recently released. I can also do the emote, which is the floss emote. I can do a bunch of other emotes, so I'm just going to show you that this is actually legit. We can do pickaxes. I don't know much information on that, but the new items tab is pretty cool. Basically, these are all the items that have been released recently in Fortnite, or that will be upcoming. So you guys can leave your unreleased skins in Fortnite in the latest version, which is pretty cool. So yeah, obviously it's working in the latest version of Fortnite. So you guys can even join your party, and the greatest thing about this is you guys can even change your level. For example, we can put our level as 100 and it will change automatically in our updated version of Fortnite. We don't have to restart our game or anything. You can just type in 100 and press put this level, and it should automatically change it. I think that's a very cool feature. Obviously, there's a ton of new features, and I'm really excited. There's going to be a ton of new updates, so make sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss that. But yeah, that's going to be the end of today's video. Hopefully, you guys did enjoy. If this did work for you, I'm very happy. If it didn't, please leave a comment down below, and I'll be gladly to help you. But like I said, it's been your boy Radius. Have a good rest of your day, guys. Peace out.